Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a ton of incredible online deals that you can do at Walgreens for curbside pickup. So you don't even have to go in store to do the different deals and save a ton on a variety of products. So you can save on paper products, we have some laundry deals, personal care deals, you name it. I'm gonna break it down for you in two different scenarios in this video. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, double check. Click that red subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of the channel. My goal this year, my huge goal is to have 100,000 on YouTube. So every single one of you guys can help me reach that goal and I would appreciate it so much. These deals are brought to you by Rakuten, where I'm gonna show you how to score $69 worth of products for free and an $8 moneymaker. The second scenario is not using the Rakuten new user bonus. You still wanna use Rakuten, of course, because you're gonna earn back an additional 2%. You're gonna be able to grab $51 worth of products for only $8 this week. The first thing you're gonna wanna do to be able to score these deals, if you're new with Rakuten, below in the description box is gonna be my link to sign up. When you sign up and spend $30 out of pocket before taxes and shipping, you're gonna earn $30 cash back plus the percent back the store offers. You can do this on a desktop computer, that's what I'm on right now, or you can do it on your phone, and I'll show you what that looks like as well in just a second. So once you create a free account with that link at the top, you're gonna search for Walgreens, and it shows you're gonna earn back another 2%. Click Shop Now. It'll transfer you right over to the normal Walgreens website. That's how you're linking them together. See right there? Now you're gonna place your order just like normal. So let me show you what products to add to our cart for our first huge moneymaker scenario. Here's what it looks like if you're doing it on your phone. So again, you're using that link in the description box. You're gonna create a completely free account. This is what the app looks like once it's all downloaded and ready to go. At the top, you're gonna search for Walgreens. So it's gonna be the exact same process, it's just gonna look a little different. Then you're gonna click on Walgreens, it shows same thing, 2% back. Click Shop Now, it'll transfer you over to the Walgreens website, not the Walgreens app. So make sure that you just follow it like this. Now you're gonna sign into whatever account that you want, doesn't matter. It does not have to be the same email address as the account that you chose to sign up with Rakuten. It does not matter. As long as you just keep it this way and don't switch over to the Walgreens app. Stay on it like this. Then you're gonna be adding these products to your cart, so let's dive in. Here is the first scenario for you guys. This one is gonna be using Rakuten like we just went over. So you're gonna be able to grab $69 worth of products for free and over an $8 moneymaker. So let's break it down so that way you understand exactly how that's happening. So I put together 2 of the Scott toilet paper. They're buy one, get one half off. 2 of the Axe body wash that are also buy one, get one half off. 2 Maybelline baby lip that are $5.49 each, buy one, get one half off. Then we're gonna be putting together a PG promotion. So let me click on this and show you what I'm talking about. So when you spend $20 or more on select PG products, you're gonna earn back $5 in Walgreens cash. So all of the different items that I'm putting together all show this when you click on the product. So that's important. That's how you know that it's gonna be included in that promotion. So grab 1 Burt's Bees for $3.50, and there is a $2 digital coupon. When you're adding all of these products to your cart, the digital coupon is gonna show up right here. So it's gonna make it really easy for you. You're gonna click the plus sign, that's gonna activate the coupon, so it'll come off at checkout. So make sure that you grab 1 of the Burt's Bees. Then you're gonna grab 1 Crest toothpaste for $4. And I grabbed 2 of the Aussie, they are also included. The large bottles are $8 this week. So grab 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner is what I did. Then 1 of the Opti-Free multi-purpose, this is $16.99, and I grabbed 1 Snuggle product. It could be the scent booster, it could be the fabric softener or the dryer sheets, whichever one you want. They're all on sale for $3.99, grab 1. Now for the coupons, because you know we're not paying full price for all of these products. There is a $1 off one for the Scott. Then when you pick up your order, you wanna make sure that you go inside, ask for a paper receipt. A lot of stores are still giving a paper receipt for curbside pickup deals. If that's the case, you'll be able to then submit your receipt to Shopmium, and you're gonna get back another $1 cash back on the second Scott product. Because remember, we bought 2 paper products. We're only using 1 digital coupon. So you'll get the $1 back on the second product. Then we have a $4 Walgreens store digital coupon for the Opti-Free, 6 off 2 for the Aussie, 6 off 2 for the Axe, 5 off 2 for the Maybelline. $6 is a digital manufacturer coupon for the Opti-Free. That's why they both stack and work together. One is a store coupon, one is a manufacturer coupon. $2 for the Burt's Bees, like I showed you, $1 for the Crest, and $1.25 for the Snuggle. Then you're gonna use code WAG10 if you want. That's gonna take off 10% on top of everything else. So you wanna make sure you're also clipping whatever digital booster that you have. So for me, I have spend 40, get $7 in Walgreens cash. So you wanna make sure that your total product value after promos and coupons, because these are store discounts right here, is at least $40 or more. We check off that box, we're good to go. We're picking it up, so it's completely free. We have some estimated taxes. Then we have all of our manufacturer coupons coming off. So here's how the math is gonna work. You're gonna pay $36.20 out of pocket. Do not pay with Walgreens cash. You're gonna earn back $12.61 in Walgreens cash. 7 of that is from the digital booster if you have it, and 5 of that is for spending 20 on PG products. The 61 cents is the 1% back that you get automatically. Then you're gonna be earning back the $1 cash back from ShopMan, $30 cash back from Rakuten for being a new member, using that link, and spending at least $30 out of pocket before taxes. So this is your total. So $36.20 minus $2.95, we are at $33.25 plus taxes. We're over 30, so we're good to go. Green light on that as well. And you're gonna get 2% cash back on Rakuten. The 2% is calculated from the subtotal, which is awesome. That'll be another roughly $1.38 cash back. Makes your final cost for all of these products free and an $8.76 moneymaker, which is incredible. Now there is a million different types of combinations that you can do with digital coupons. This is just one scenario that I'm sharing with you guys. Make sure that you mix and match, put together deals and products and coupons and stuff that you have on products that you actually need. That way you're saving money on the products that you're using. Now let's get into another scenario. If you are not new to Rakuten like myself, I've been using that app for years. Here's another scenario where you can still use the spend booster but have a lower out-of-pocket cost. Second scenario for you, this one is going to be a lower out-of-pocket, and this is if you're not a new user of Rakuten, then you don't have to spend the $30 out-of-pocket before taxes to get that bonus because you've already been using Rakuten like myself. Now you still want to start with it, so you'll get an additional 2% back. At the end of the day, it all adds up. So what you can do is the 2 Axe at buy one, get one half off, 2 Garnier online. The whole blends are buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash. The Garnier Fructis is the same thing. I've already used that coupon and everything though, so that's why I didn't add it to this scenario. But again, mix and match, you can do both deals if you want. Then grab 1 Crest for $3.50. 1 large Aussie at $8, another one at $8. I just did a shampoo and a conditioner. Doesn't matter, just make sure that you're grabbing 2. 1 Blink contact solution for $7.99. 1 Burt's Bees Kids for $3.50. And 1 Snuggle for $3.99 on sale. It could be the fabric softener, it could be the dryer sheets, or the scent booster, it doesn't matter. Then for the coupons, we have the 6 off 2 Aussie, $4 for the Blink contact solution, that's a store coupon. Then we have BioTrue, $3 off. That works on BioTrue or the Blink, so that's a manufacturer coupon. So that makes that product 99 cents. Then we have Axe, 6 off 2, the 3 off 2 for the Garnier, $2 for the Burt's Bees, $1 for the Crest, $1.25 for the Snuggle, and of course use code WAG10. Then clip any digital booster that you have, same as always. So this scenario is if you're using a spend 40, get $7 in Walgreens cash. So how you have to use that booster is you have to be at $40 worth of product value after any promos and coupons up here, okay? Because these are store discounts. So right now we are at $51.96. We have $6.07 worth of store coupons and discounts that count against that spend booster. That brings our new total to $45.89. We're still over 40, so we're good to go. And on top of that, you could use $5 in Walgreens cash. Now your new total is $40.89. So again, we're still over $40, you'll be good to go. But you could not use more than $5 in Walgreens cash for this scenario. Then all the manufacturer coupons come off. So you'll be left to pay $25.94. If you use the $5 in Walgreens cash, you'll pay $20.94 out of pocket. Then you're gonna earn back $16.45 in Walgreens cash. Again, I already used my digital booster this morning when I went to Walgreens, so that's why the additional $7 is not showing. But what this is coming from is $4 from the Garnier Whole Blends and $5 for spending $20 on select products. So that's gonna include the Aussie, the Crest, the Burt's Bees, all of that is gonna be part of that spend 20 deal. Plus, you're gonna be earning back the 2% from Rakuten, which will be about another 90 cents. That'll make your final cost $8.59 for all of these products, which is a really, really great deal. So if you guys have any questions on this, let me know in the comments below. If there's any other amazing deals that you guys are putting together for your scenarios, please share them below so that way everyone can mix and match, make sure that they're getting the products that they need and able to save a ton of money out of pocket when they're grabbing it this week at Walgreens. Don't forget to smash the like button for me if you guys enjoy these types of videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.